super amazing parathas.
So we have a guest.
So
We
cute.
have a guest. Finally, we are walking on the.
Wait, there was some ice cream. Yeah, I mean today boys also can wear crop top.
80 multiplied by 5. How much it is? बचपन में बड़ा खाते थे यार, ये यादें ताज़ा हो गई। कैसा यहाँ पे सही है बिजनेस? बढ़िया बढ़िया सर।
They smell so good. More chocolate.
Yeah.
Huh? He puts more
ये चॉकलेट यार डाल देना। So I'm making her eat this. I hope she like it, otherwise she will just blame me for this.
Dinner, we will have super amazing parathas.
Parathas, but कितना सही. How beautiful the view is, no? Now in the evening.
It's on the video. It's, I think.
Yeah, it looks
different,
more.
you
Yeah,
know.
I agree.
The internet is gone again.
Yeah, I think it's very dicey. So we have a guest.
So
We
cute.
have a guest. She's just here, and she was with a baby, so
The baby
we
is
thought
there.
to feed. And the baby is there. So we are just sitting.
It's the baby first.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Bye, girl.
Bye bye. Hanuman came. No, the mother came. Beautiful.
Hanuman, yeah.
And see, they
Super
got some.
mess.
They got some.
And look on the
No, she didn't eat
cucumber.
cucumber.
No, she just wants banana.
Maybe I pick other things from other side. They do it similarly how we do it, no?
Yeah, yeah. Exactly how we do it.
Yeah.
This is cow food.
Yeah, if we find the cow.
We will find millions of cows.
हाँ, and by the time ये देखो अच्छा खासा crowd हो गया यार Saturday को. Oh, this is the आरती place. This is where आरती happens. That's how I lock it.
No. I just took the wrong side.
No. It's correct side. Give me, hold this. It's how simple it is. You just see where it is going. See, there, and just
I know, but it's really strong, you know.
yeah, it's strong.
And if I would
Because
not take
it's strong.
this side,
This side.
so I would take this
just
before.
Open, and you open it like this. And this is something. My goodness, this is like whoa. Like typical parathas. Oh, look at the size of parathas.
Wow.
There is some chutney also.
Yeah, but can we sit on the floor?
Actually, I was thinking exactly same. We love sitting like this and eating.
Okay. That's the paneer.
In the air.
Paneer. smells a little bit like pizza. So that's the same, or this is pickle?
This is pickle.
Yeah, nice.
Nice. Finally, we are walking on the.
Wait. There was some ice cream.
There's some ice cream.
Finally, one time we walk
On this bridge.
on the bridge. This time when we are here, and this with 44, 45 degrees today.
No, 41. 41.
You sure?
Yeah.
But actually, it's too hot. If
But
it's
see,
41,
there is no
44,
one, huh?
46, 40, whatever.
There's no one.
What is?
There's no one at the beach.
Yeah.
Okay, bhai. So finally, the thing is that after spending 6 nights, right? 6 days.
6.
We are leaving this place and going back to the old area where we was before. So we are almost packed. As you can see, the bags are fully packed. And we'll take a boat from here and we'll go to the other side and we'll walk. So what are you feeling?
Okay, excited to go back, but a little bit like sad to leave this place, because how you see it's so beautiful here. It's like you have Ganga so near. We slept here on the balcony because it was too hot.
sleep here. This was crazy. This was one of the best experience. Like we literally used to sleep in the balcony. Yeah.
So we go back to the other room that it's a little bit colder. The area it's a little bit more up on the mountain, so we have Ganga not that near, but it will be nice.
Yeah, and actually past few days she's been, I mean, like not only her but generally also it's been super hot, because what happens, sun goes right up and in afternoon it comes right here, so too much of hot it becomes from 12 noon to 4-5 p.m. ये हमारा छोटा सा आशियाना. This is the ashram. Beautiful, yeah. But now I'm feeling how good it was. So rooms here are pretty cooler, I guess. But our room was right there. So the sunlight, morning sunlight comes on the back side, evening sunlight comes on the front side. It's always. And then we have a small bridge here also. गर्मी बहुत हो गई भाई, हो गई थी एक्चुअली कल तक. अभी ठीक है, अभी माहौल ठीक रहेगा थोड़ा. Thank you so much. Huh?
Can we leave our luggage for 10 minutes
Yeah, for
here?
like, oh
Then
yeah.
we come back? Thank you.
I forgot she has to go to the earring shop. So we leave our luggage here for a time being, and then we go quickly because she bought something a couple of days ago, and that it's of a brass and it's leaving the color, weird color. So I hope the shop is open and we can get it exchanged. Huh? Yes, I also want this color.
You also?
Sure.
Sure.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I mean today boys also can wear crop tops.
Not crop top.
Yeah, but with you it will be like this, no? Because you are tall.
Joke of the day. So because of water level, the big boat does not move. So we have to wait for some time, so 2 more people comes and they can join us. Yes. so they will join us, so we can take the small boat. But the big boat which used to run, they used to charge $50 now, because the another boat, small boat, steamer, they charge $80 per person. So we are already 1, 2, 3, 2 more people. 80 multiplied by 5, how much it is? Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on.
Sure, I can do it.
Say it.
400, my love, really? What?
Are you serious?
Hey, sorry, 4,000. Huh? Oh, I'm completely... Okay, just mix up. Just leave me alone, okay?
Okay, actually I also forgot. Yeah, I think it should be 400, right?
It is 400.
8540, yeah, 400. Oh, she's good, eh? Hey, I was just
What?
confusing you, okay? Don't get pissed off.
I'm not pissed off, just let me alone.
Okay, she wants to. भाई साहब धूप में चल के ना बैंड बज गई है बहुत. It's been quite a far. You can see me. We are sweating like anything, and we are about to reach our
1
old
second.
destination. Not in 1 second, but 10 seconds. That's all. Maybe more. Whoa, rain, rain. उधर से तो आ नहीं रही, इधर ही से आ रही है. भाई साहब गर्मी इतनी पड़ रही है ना, देख लो ये हालत. तो हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया, we have decided that we go to take a dip in Ganga. Now where we are staying, Ganga is a little far, so we have to walk, and that shop is closed. The shop is closed. We thought we'll have ice cream here, but the shop is closed.